Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the project Reboot build and the exact DLL name causing the error. That matters because mismatched binaries break load paths. Once done, create a quick backup of the project folder and any related registry keys so you can roll back if needed. Next, capture the error message, code, and timestamp. These let you correlate logs. Make sure to run the app as administrator for steps that follow, since permissions often block DLL replacement. You now trace where the loader fails. Use Process Monitor and Event Viewer to see the path and failure reason. Then validate the DLL itself. Check file hash, version metadata, and whether dependent libraries are present. Missing dependencies cause silent crashes. Once you have the right build, verify its digital signature and test it in a sandbox or staging copy. Replace the DLL while the app is stopped. Restart only after permissions and ownership are correct. You finish by clearing any runtime caches, rebuilding the solution, and restarting dependent services so the change becomes active. Then reproduce the scenario and compare before and after logs to confirm the DLL loads correctly and timings improved. If the error persists, enable verbose loader logging and run with debug symbols to see symbol resolution and call stacks. This pinpoints mismatched exports or ABI issues. As a key tip, revert to your backup and iterate with a known good binary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.